To answer each question, be sure to show all work. Which solution satisfies the model below? X equals 3, x equals 6, x equals 9, x equals 27. Number 2. Which equation is true when x equals 3? A. 8x equals 28. B. X minus 19 equals 16. C. 28 plus x equals 25. D. X over 3 equals 1. Number 3. 15 plus x equals 8. What is x? Number 4. 45 equals x minus 20. What is x? Number 5. 8x equals 63.2. What is x? Number 6. 14 equals x over 3. What is x? Number 7. 108 equals 6x. What is x? Number 8. X over 7 equals negative 14. What is x? Number 9. On her lunch break, Audrey purchases a meal for herself and her 2 coworkers. If the total bill was $25.20, how much did each meal cost? Number 10. The sum of the measures of 2 angles is 127.6. One angle has a measure of 63 degrees. What is the measure of the second angle? A. 121.5. B. 64.6. C. 188.6. D. 2.09.